Center for Social Research is an institution for women in India. This was established in 1983. Organization basically is oriented towards a single mission of restructuring gender relations. Empowerment of women is its core agenda. Towards this, we work through our 4 different divisions of the organization, which is research, development, training and advocacy. We are researching on issues which are directly impacting lives of women in area of women in trade, women in violence, crime against women. We have work done in the areas of women and political empowerment and governance issues. We also research a lot in basically to explore and to make informed inquiry into what is happening to lives of women. Through research, we also inform our action, which develop programs and projects where we have established over the years many projects across the country where women are getting employment possibility. They get trained, they can make income through their skills that are developed through our organizational initiative, and also a small credit is given to women to set up their small enterprise. We have very many projects which have empowered women through education, especially our unique program about bringing girls back to school. That would mean that the girl who has missed on education in terms of either early dropout or who never went to school ever, those girls, we brought them back to school through a very well-developed curriculum of formal education through a non-formal method. And this was implemented in many small schools run by a single teacher. An hour of the schooling was defined and decided upon in consultation with the girls during the day when they have the time. And also this, they had to finally give the formal education examination, qualifying that they went into school, or some of them went back to their in-laws' place, because the young child marriages are still very prevalent. In fact, through that we also were informed about the condition of young brides, child brides, and we studied the situation of child marriage in India. The report has become very, very famous. There were many questions raised in Parliament of India, quoting our study to find out what government is doing to get the law implemented, because we have a very strong legislation to protect children from getting married.